Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the error and origin so you don't chase the wrong fix. First, read the precise message, expired, unauthorized, or invalid, and note when you received it. Next, confirm whether the link came via email, an app, or a web page, and copy the full URL including any token or query string. Once done, try opening the link in a private or incognito window to rule out cache and cookie interference. This reveals whether the issue is client-side or server-side. If the link still fails, you proceed to targeted fixes. Start by clearing cookies, using a private browser, or switching devices to eliminate local state problems. Then request a fresh link or token from the sender, or generate a new one from your account's security or sharing settings. Many services expire links after a set TTL. Also check your device clock and account permissions, because misaligned time or insufficient rights often cause token rejection. Make sure to copy the new URL immediately and try within minutes. To complete, open the renewed link promptly and in the environment recommended by the sender. Some systems restrict browsers or platforms. If access is still blocked, reset your password or revoke and reauthorize the connected app to issue fresh credentials. As a final check, inspect for server outages, firewall or VPN interference, and URL encoding problems. Spaces or misplaced symbols break tokens. If nothing works, provide the service support with the captured URL and error text. That targeted evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.